Hey, I'm Mohsin. In this video, I will tell you about insurance. So basically, first of all, I will tell you what is insurance. Actually, insurance is an agreement by which a company or the site undertakes to provide a guarantee or compensation for specific loss, illness, or death in return for payment of a specified premium. Okay, I have told you the definitions of insurance basically. Secondly, I will tell you how many types of insurance. Actually, there are many types of insurance, so I will briefly tell you about six types of insurance. First, life insurance. Second, income protection insurance. Third, total and permanent disability insurance. And fourth one is trauma insurance. Fifth one is personal accident insurance, in which cars like that. So and last one is funeral insurance, in which like death insurance. So I will tell you about the benefits and like a pros and cons of the insurance. So my main target is insurance in Australia. Basically, Australia's insurance market can be divided into roughly three types: life insurance, general insurance, and health insurance. Where health insurance is basically gaining market, like everyone is to think about his health or her health. So that's why. So now I will tell you about car insurance. In car insurance, there are three types: comprehensive car insurance, party property fire and theft, and party property damage. Damage like car accident. And the other is home insurance. In home insurance, we like a building and contents insurance, like that. If we build a home, then after that some earthquake like that come and building destroy, then it's related to the home insurance. And health insurance is, we know that illness, many cases, we are facing many diseases like in fever, like many operations like that. So according to this, if we will give some amounts, and at the end, like if we are giving health insurance is a $10, like a $10, $20, like a money is $10 and $20 and $50. Yeah, it's a roughly idea, but it will be like a $1,000 for yearly, like that. If we face some illness, so according to it, so we will see, like that, we are facing some illness. So we will contact to the company that we are facing these issues, then company will hire a person for us, and like that. So they give insurance to us according to the life insurance. Life cover total and permanent disability, income protection, trauma cover, like that, before you insure. So that's why I'm showing you these things. Basically, insurance in Australia is a big market where insurance companies are a lot of dollars, a lot of monies, Australian dollars, US dollars, like that. So they belongs to us because they are giving us protection. Like we give some amounts for our health, and at the end they give us a lot of things, like many if we will in life insurance, if we will complete the cycle, like 10-year duration, 20 years duration, at the end they give us 80%, 200%, 300% margin for us. So there are many benefits. And losses, like that, if we insure a car, and we drive it smoothly without accident, like 4 hours, 3 hours, in case we face like harmful, because we will they didn't give us money So in this phase we will assure that this is effect, this is a cons for us. So we have to I think so we have to ensure our life, we have to ensure our things. So in a small dollars we can build we can get a large amounts. So if we will like face some things like that, so we have to face these things. So insurance, according to my thought, there are many insurance company: Aham Life Insurance, RSC Life Insurance. In this maximum cover is like that, $1,500,000, and maximum entry age is $65. So according to illness and benefits, they will give us $1,500,000, and like that TBD covers. Like these are the some some insurance things. So we have to insure our life, we have to insure our things, so we will not face any bad luck, any natural disasters like that. So I will recommend you, you have to insure our life, insure our things. So in small dollars we will get a maximum amount. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.